Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a beautiful 4-bedroom detached property. This is Tattenhoe from Lovell Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located near Wetherby. It's a small town, but then you have everything around. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the lounge, kitchen with dining, study, utility and a clock room. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and 2 other bedrooms sharing a common ensuite and also 1 extra family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the first floor, kitchen, dining and also the living room. So let's explore the living room first. So this living room is coming towards the left side in the front. It's a spacious living room. As you can see, there's a window coming towards the front end, and you have sufficient space to plan your sofas and also the TV set. Still, there's really good space to walk around. This is the first time we are actually touring a Lovell Homes property. I must tell you, it's really good. The build quality and the way they define the spaces is very interesting. And the models also, there is something new about this which I haven't seen so far in rest of the builders. This you'll understand as we go upstairs and explore the bedrooms and stuff. Overall, a very decent living area with good ventilation. Now just opposite to this living room, you're getting the study. The space looks okay in the study. You're still getting a good window towards the front end, so plenty of light falling in the study as well. Now inside this study you have another small storage space with the door and lock provided, and they actually gave the mains inside here. I'm not sure why they built a separate small room kind of thing here for this mains. Instead they could have given this entire thing as one single study. It could have been much bigger, but it's alright. So this was all about the study. Now let's move towards the kitchen and dining. And in between they actually well defined the space under the staircase here. It looks really good. So this is the beautiful and spacious kitchen with living and dining spaces. Towards one side they plan the kitchen, towards the other side you can plan your dining and also the living space. Also, you'll be getting the extended wide French door access towards the beautiful garden behind. It's quite lengthy and looks very bright and beautiful with all these interiors done. So first, let's explore the kitchen side. So this is their upgraded version of the kitchen. If you want, you can also go for this kind of granite worktop and also the brass handles for the cupboards at the bottom and even on the top. This integrated fridge, freezer and oven, everything is included. You'll still get this gas hob. If you want, you can go for the upgraded version of the electric one. Also the extra worktop in the middle along with these cupboards is also included. This looks really cool. There's also access towards the utility which is coming just beside the kitchen here. So the space is quite okay. You can easily plan a washing machine and a dryer here towards one side. And the boiler also is coming here in this utility. You also have the garden access from here. There's a door provided. Now this is the kitchen side with the utility space. Let's check out the other side with the living and the dining spaces. So in between you actually have really good space to walk around. The interiors done in this room are simple and attractive. I also like the idea of planning this dining table towards the end. If it was me, I would have done the same thing because I really don't like to to plan the dining table in the middle because it will disturb the room space, and also the room looks smaller. But if it's planned towards the other end, like this, it looks isolated. It has got its own space. At the same time, the room looks much bigger. Only thing, you'll have to carry all the footballs till the end. That will be kind of like an exercise. But still, you can sit with your family and enjoy your meal watching these garden visuals. And not to forget, you'll be getting a nice extended wide garden behind with the fence around it. Overall, a very spacious and comfortable kitchen with dining space. Loved it a lot. Now, before moving to the first floor, let's check out the washroom here in the ground floor. So, this washroom is coming towards the right side as you enter the house. It's a small washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and there's an exhaust provided. So this is all about the ground floor. Now let's move to the first floor and check out the rooms there. As I told you in the beginning, on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms. So now exploring the first bedroom of the house. So this is a double bedroom. A king size bed fits in and you have really good room space to walk around. For the first time actually I'm seeing here these extended frames and all fitted to the bed. We normally have these kind of frames fitted in India and also in other Asian countries because we have mosquitoes over there, so we normally tie the mosquito net around. But here, after moving to UK, I never found a mosquito, so you actually don't need them, but it's again up to you if you want to decorate your bed and the surroundings. You're still getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. Now towards the opposite side, they actually planned the wardrobes. It's a quite wide area wherein they planned it. The entire wall, they covered it with the wardrobes. And it's not actually disturbing the room space as well, which is good. Now let's check out the ensuite, which is coming towards the front end. So this is the ensuite here. You have the walk-in shower, sink and water closet. There's also a window coming towards the front end. So this is all about the master bedroom. Now let's check out other rooms of the property. So just beside this master bedroom, you're getting the second bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. This bedroom looks more brighter because the window is comparatively wider than the one in the master bedroom. So plenty of natural light falling in the room here. I also love their bed cover. Check it out. The embroidery work done on this duvet and also the pillows. It looks so pretty. Towards the opposite side, you're getting the wardrobes here. And they managed to provide a small dressing table beside it. So the overall space looks good. Now there's another new feature which I'm going to share with you all. The thing is, this is the second bedroom and just opposite to this you're getting the third bedroom. But then in between you have a common ensuite, which is something totally new for us. We haven't seen such a feature in other properties. The space inside this ensuite is okay. It's given in length. You have the water closet, sink, and the walk-in shower. There's also a window coming towards the front end. But the strange part is you have to close both the doors, on both sides when you're using it. So from this ensuite, we'll move on towards the third bedroom of the house. This is a double bedroom again, and a double cot fits in. You can walk around. There's a nice window coming towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. The overall space is okay. This can be used as a kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. Now towards the front end, you're getting a small storage space. This has got a door and lock again. You can plan some kind of storage in here. Overall, a decent third bedroom. Now let's move to the other rooms. So just beside this third bedroom, you're getting the family bathroom. I'll be sharing with you all this family bathroom later. So first let's check out the fourth bedroom of the house, which is coming just opposite to this. This is again a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you have a really good space to walk around. There's a nice window coming towards one side, so plenty of light falling in this room. The interiors done in this room look very pretty, and if you observe, the height of the rooms also is really good. Overall, a decent bedroom. Now beside this bedroom, you're getting another small room with door and lock, and inside this you have the water heater. Now let's check out the family bathroom, which is coming in between the third and the fourth bedrooms. This is a good size family bathroom. You have the tub, water closet and a sink. There's also a window coming towards one side. Overall, a decent property. They made it really well. Even the build quality and structure of the building, everything looks nice. Certain things are new for me, especially the sharing ensuite between the two bedrooms. I'm not sure how it will be, when you actually have to use it by closing both the doors. But it was good to see. We covered all the rooms in this property. So now let's go outside and check out the front visuals of the house. As I told you in the beginning, you'll be getting a garage with this property as well. This was all for today. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.